In the intricate dance between our thoughts and the world around us, the mirror principle is a profound concept that transcends the boundaries of spiritual philosophy. At its essence, it posits that your reality is a direct reflection of the thoughts and beliefs you hold, and unveils the interplay between the inner workings of your mind and the external tapestry of your life, urging you to recognize the immense power you wield in shaping your own destiny. Imagine your mind as a mirror, constantly reflecting into the world all of the images and experiences that you project onto it. Every thought, every belief, and every intention is like a brushstroke on this reflective canvas, ultimately shaping the landscape of your reality. The mirror principle invites you to stand before this metaphorical mirror with awareness and intention, understanding that the images you project onto your mind will be faithfully returned to you by your reality. In this video, we take you through a journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we delve into the intricacies of how your thoughts mold the world you perceive and the experiences you encounter. By understanding and applying this principle, you will effectively turn the key to a more intentional and purposeful experience of life, where, like an artist mastering their craft, you take the reins of your life, directing it to where you want it to go, and learning how to co-create with the universe per your unique specifications. In mastering the art of the mirror principle, you will truly live the life that you envision for yourself. The mirror principle asserts that the lens through which we view the world is tinted by our thoughts and beliefs. If we perceive life through a lens of negativity, our reality mirrors this perspective, casting shadows on opportunities and magnifying challenges. Conversely, a positive mindset becomes a catalyst for a vibrant and harmonious reflection, illuminating the beauty amidst the mundane. From personal relationships to professional endeavors, the mirror principle manifests in a variety of ways. Consider a person radiating confidence. Their reality often mirrors success and opportunities, for their thoughts have set the stage for achievement. Conversely, someone ensnared by self-doubt may find their reality shadowed by missed chances and unfulfilled potential. Recognizing the mirror's active role in shaping your reality is the first step toward wielding its transformative power. By unraveling the threads that connect your thoughts to your experiences, you embark on a journey of conscious creation, crafting a reality that resonates with your truest self. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the 6 key techniques for creating the life that you want for yourself. 1. The power of positive thinking. Positive thinking is not merely a fleeting sentiment. It is a dynamic force capable of reshaping the very fabric of your experiences. By cultivating a positive mindset, you engage in a symbiotic relationship with the mirror principle, where your optimistic thoughts reverberate, influencing not only your perceptions, but also the unfolding events in your life. The ripple effect of positivity can be profound, creating an upward momentum of well-being. Turning the key to positive thinking involves adopting intentional practices that nurture optimism. From gratitude journaling to affirmations, these techniques serve as tools to redirect your thoughts and sow the seeds of positivity. They empower you to navigate challenges with resilience and view setbacks as stepping stones to growth. The history of human achievement is adorned with narratives of individuals who, against all odds, transformed their lives through the alchemy of positive thinking. From entrepreneurs who turned setbacks into triumphs to athletes who defied limits with sheer belief, these stories underscore the profound impact of harnessing the power of positivity. As we unravel the subsequent layers of the mirror principle, positive thinking emerges as a guiding force, infusing all of the key techniques and beckoning you to permeate your thoughts with hope, optimism, and an unwavering belief in your potential. 2. Setting clear intentions. Setting clear intentions harmonizes your desires with the responsive chords of the universe. Intentions act as the compass guiding your thoughts and directing the mirror to reflect the specific realities you wish to manifest. They serve as the blueprints for the reality you aim to construct and are the deliberate articulation of your aspirations. The mirror principle teaches that the clarity and precision of your intentions influence the accuracy of the reflections you receive. Vague or uncertain intentions will similarly reflect back an ambiguous reality in your experience, so you must take the time to create resounding and well-thought-out intentions that resonate with the core of your being. Crafting intentions is an art that requires clarity, specificity, and authenticity. From visualizing desired outcomes to articulating goals with unwavering certainty, the process involves translating aspirations into tangible, actionable statements. The act of setting intentions should then propel you into a proactive role, where you influence the mirror's reflective capabilities by taking inspired action. Intentions are not mere wishes. They are the seeds from which actions sprout. Aligning your actions with your intentions requires a harmonious interplay between thought and behavior. By consciously shaping your responses and decisions in accordance with your intentions, you can bridge the gap between envisioning a reality and actively participating in its creation. Throughout your day, make a practice of asking yourself whether the actions you are focusing on, the attitudes you are expressing, or the messages you are conveying are aligned with the intentions you've set for yourself. If so, fantastic. If not, you have the opportunity to pivot and readjust. This leads us to the next technique. 3. Embracing self-reflection. Self-reflection is the process that leads you through the labyrinth of your thoughts and emotions. To understand the mirror fully, you must first grasp the intricacies of the reflection source, the self. Self-awareness becomes the cornerstone, allowing you to discern the patterns of thought and belief that shape your perception of reality. Delving into the realm of self-reflection requires a commitment to introspection. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, journaling, and contemplative practices become powerful tools for navigating the inner terrain. These practices foster a deep connection with your inner world, unraveling the layers that influence the mirror's reflections. Through the process of self-reflection, the mirror principle unfolds as a guide to personal growth. By understanding the roots of your thoughts and belief systems, you gain the capacity to consciously shape them. The process becomes a catalyst for shedding limiting perspectives, fostering resilience, and crafting a reality that aligns with your authentic self. In the realm of the mirror principle, self-reflection is the mirror within the mirror, an exploration that not only unveils the intricacies of your inner world, but also propels you toward a more profound connection with the external reality you seek to shape. 4. Eliminating limiting beliefs. Within the context of the mirror principle, the shadows cast by limiting beliefs emerge as veils obstructing the brilliance of your true potential. Mastering the art of reality creation makes it imperative to identify, challenge, and ultimately dismantle the restrictive beliefs that cloud the mirror's reflective surface. Limiting beliefs are the subtle whispers that echo within the chambers of your mind, asserting falsehoods about your capabilities and potential. The first step in breaking free from their grip is to identify them. Through introspection and self-awareness, you begin to recognize the narratives that have shaped your perceptions, creating a roadmap for targeted intervention. Once identified, limiting beliefs can be challenged and replaced with empowering alternatives. Cognitive restructuring, affirmations, and visualization techniques serve as potent tools in this transformative process. By consciously rewiring thought patterns, you can redefine any unwanted narratives that govern your reality, allowing for a more expansive and optimistic reflection. 5. Cultivating gratitude. Gratitude is the key to abundance, and the same applies within the mirror principle. It emerges as a radiant thread, weaving its transformative influence through the very fabric of your thoughts and experiences. The act of cultivating gratitude is a profound key, unlocking doors to a reality adorned with positivity, fulfillment, and a heightened appreciation for life's intricacies. Gratitude is not merely a fleeting emotion, but a dynamic force that shapes your perception of reality. If the attitude of gratitude is not your default state of being, try cultivating it as a deliberate form of inner expression, and you will witness a wonderful transformation. I love the maxim that states, "Where your attention goes, your energy flows," and I like to pair it with another one that goes, "Everything you focus on also grows," meaning that if you focus on the good things in your life, those things will amplify and command greater influence over your daily experience. One easy action you can take is to begin every day with gratitude. Whether it's meditating on all of the wonderful things in your life or keeping a gratitude journal, you'll find that when you cultivate gratitude and feel that deep sense of appreciation in your heart, you shift your focus from scarcity to abundance, from what is lacking to what is present. This shift, in turn, alters the reflection in the mirror, casting a luminous glow over even the seemingly mundane aspects of life. Consistent engagement in these practices fortifies your connection with the mirror, reinforcing a positive feedback loop. In the grand narrative of the mirror principle, gratitude emerges as a radiant force that magnifies the beauty inherent in your reality. As you immerse yourself in the practice of gratitude, you not only transform the mirror's reflections, but also open the floodgates to a reality overflowing with abundance and joy. 6. Taking inspired action. While intention lays the groundwork for creating the reality you want to experience, inspired action is the instrumental step that transforms the abstract into concrete. Inspired action refers to taking deliberate and purposeful steps that arise from a deep sense of alignment with your desires and higher self. It goes beyond mere effort or routine actions and involves engaging in activities that feel right, guided by intuition and a sense of inspiration. Through the manifestation process, you will often receive insights, ideas, or gut feelings that lead you to specific actions. These inspired actions are crucial because they are in harmony with the energy of your intentions, thereby accelerating the realization of your goals. It's about acting from a place of authenticity, connection, and alignment with the desired outcomes rather than simply going through the motions. The mirror principle reminds us that thoughts, intentions, and beliefs find their ultimate expression through the steps we take. Action becomes the bridge between the ethereal realm of imagination and the tangible landscape of our experiences. So, dear friend, as you stand at the crossroads of intention and manifestation, the mirror principle beckons you to step boldly into the realm of inspired action. It is here, on the fertile ground of decisive steps, that the mirror reflects not only the clarity of your thoughts, but the tangible fruits of your deliberate creation. If you like this video, check out the one on the law of assumption right here on your screen, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this.